Hey guys, Eric Sargent, General Manager at Ed Martin Toyota in Noblesville, Indiana. And today we're going to do an unboxing of the brand new Tundra TRD upper control arm kit. All right, let's check this baby out. Okay, we got 4 boxes. Lateral control rod assembly. Actually, we have 5 boxes here. Upper control arms. Sticker that. There we go. Lower control arm. Another lower control arm. There we go. Okay, so now we have it unboxed. We have a total of 5 boxes, and we have a hardware kit. Looks pretty self-explanatory. We got lower control arms, we got upper control arms, and we have this rod assembly. Let's go ahead and open these boxes and see what they look like in person. Oh wow. Looks like an Asian pear cover. All right. Super dark red. It's almost like a little darker red than a TRD red. We got our uppers. They're light. Not what I was expecting when I ordered them. And there you have it. This is the new arm assembly suspension kit for a 3rd generation Tundra, part number PT901-34260. We'll get some pictures, and if you have any interest in this kit, parts.edmartintoyota.com, and we'll link to it in the video notes below.